Have you ever found yourself wondering if your cherished cat truly grasps your emotional shifts, or even if they register your feelings at all? Many loving cat companions often mistakenly assume that disinterest is the default setting for feline behavior, but this perception sells them short. The quiet truth is, your cat's language is rich with unspoken apologies that we, as humans so focused on words, frequently overlook. If you find yourself chastising your cat or inadvertently heightening their stress because you believe they just don't care, you might actually be inadvertently spurning their heartfelt effort to mend things. Today, I'm not merely going to unveil 10 subtle indications your feline friend uses to whisper, "I'm sorry." I'm going to illuminate the precise scientific underpinnings of each tender gesture, drawing from recent research that thoughtfully untangles misconceptions we've held onto for years. And please, lend your full attention to number 10. It's the most commonly misconstrued behavior of all, the one we so often interpret as aloofness, but which is, in fact, pure vulnerability. Sign 1, the quiet art of avoidance, the gentle ignoring myth. Let's begin with a signal that nearly 90% of people consistently misinterpret: avoidance. Imagine this scene. You've gently reprimanded your cat for having accidentally nudged a vase off the shelf. What do they do next? They might settle down, turn their back delicately towards you, and begin to meticulously groom themselves or fix their gaze intently on a vacant wall. Your immediate human reaction? Look at that attitude. They're just blowing me off. But pause for a moment. In the primal world, for a predatory creature, locking eyes during a confrontation is a direct challenge, a bold declaration of intent. When your cat softly looks away or gracefully turns their back when the atmosphere is thick with tension, they are actively, tenderly diffusing the potential for discord. They are employing what's known as a calming signal. They are reassuring both their own nervous system and yours. I mean no harm, and I deeply wish to avoid conflict. We heard from a viewer who shared that, after a minor disagreement, their cat would settle nearby but steadfastly refuse to meet their gaze, looking softly downwards and to the side. That isn't stubbornness, that is profound respect. If your cat appears to ignore you while you are feeling upset, they are, in their own silent language, proclaiming a truce in the only way their evolutionary wisdom allows them to. That's what Purr and Promise is all about. If you want to understand the quiet ways your cat loves you, with real science and no guesswork, subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Sign 2, the delicate dance of proximity maintenance, the gentle shadowing effect. Now, let's explore a behavior that often tenderly follows avoidance, something researchers affectionately term proximity maintenance. Have you ever observed that after a moment of tension, your cat doesn't necessarily approach you, yet they also don't entirely leave the room? They simply quietly exist near you. Perhaps they settle on the far end of the sofa or gently recline in the doorway. Many loving cat parents might think, if they were truly sorry, they'd come for a snuggle. But you might be missing the deeper message. Cats are inherently solitary hunters. They don't rely on a pack for survival in the way dogs do. If a cat makes the deliberate choice to remain in the same space as a perceived threat, which in your moments of anger might be you, that is a conscious, deeply considered gesture. By lingering within your personal sphere without explicitly seeking interaction, they are carefully testing the emotional waters. They are saying, "I am not abandoning you. I am patiently waiting for you to be ready to reconnect." It is a passive, gentle offering of reconciliation. If you enter the kitchen and your cat softly follows, settling at a respectful distance, don't dismiss this quiet overture. Acknowledge their presence. They are subtly shadowing you, striving to mend your bond without forcing a difficult confrontation. Sign 3, the serene slow blink, the biological reset button. Let's shift our attention to the most widely recognized signal, yet one that's often explained with far too little depth in online videos: the slow blink. Yes, we know it signifies trust, but let's delve deeper into its tender nuances. A study from the University of Sussex lovingly demonstrated that this isn't merely an "I love you." It's a profound physiological switch. When you are feeling upset, your entire being can radiate a palpable tension. Your discerning cat senses this. When they consciously choose to gaze at you and deliberately, softly close their eyes, they are purposely placing themselves in a position of vulnerability. A skilled predator would never willingly close its eyes when facing a potential danger. But here's the crucial science many individuals overlook. If you tenderly reciprocate that slow blink, the cortisol levels, the very hormone associated with stress, in your cat gently decrease measurably. It's a beautiful biofeedback loop. They offer you calm, and you return it to them. If your cat performs this after you've raised your voice, it's not a random occurrence. They are gently checking if the emotional Wi Fi connection between your hearts still hums true. Always, always return the blink. If you neglect to, your cat registers their loving attempt as having failed, and their anxiety can noticeably spike. Sign 4, the subtle tail hook, the tender question mark. Observe your cat's tail with particular care the next time you enter a room following a disagreement. A cat's tail is a truthful barometer of their emotional landscape. If your cat approaches you with their tail held high, gracefully arched upwards, but the very tip is delicately curved over, much like a question mark or a shepherd's crook, this is a specific diplomatic communication. In feline dialogue, a tail held vertically signals a readiness to engage, but that delicate hook at the very end, that is the soft inquiry. They are quite literally asking for your kind permission to re enter your personal emotional space. It's a signal of gentle intent, employed to delicately break the lingering atmospheric chill. If they softly brush past your leg with this question mark tail, they are patiently awaiting your response. If you offer a gentle stroke or speak in a soft, soothing tone, you have answered yes. If you disregard it, they often retreat, a shade confused. That tiny curve is their quiet way of asking, are we cherished friends once more? Sign 5, the uniquely varied purr, the subtle vocal gap. This is where we lovingly reveal a profound insight. While many believe a purr solely signifies contentment, veterinarians understand that cats also purr when wounded, afraid, or even in their final moments. Why? Because the gentle vibrations of purrs, between 20 and 140 hertz, possess remarkable healing qualities. They can actually encourage the repair of bone and tissue. Yet, they also serve a tender social purpose. Behaviorists refer to these as solicitation purrs. A cherished subscriber once shared how, after accidentally causing their cat a slight hurt, the cat returned with soft, almost sorrowful meows. Often, following a disagreement, your cat will approach, purring deeply, almost vibrating, but without any playful gestures. They aren't expressing, I'm filled with joy. They are communicating, I am tenderly healing myself from the strain of this quarrel, and I'm striving to soothe you too. It's a gentle effort to calm the heart rates of both of you. Please don't dismiss them, thinking they merely seek food. They are endeavoring to mend the emotional rift with their comforting vibrations. That's what purr and promise is all about. If you want to understand the quiet ways your cat loves you, with real science and no guesswork, subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Before we uncover the next gentle signal, I'm eager to hear from you. Comprehending cat behavior is a deeply personal journey. When your feline friend seeks to apologize and soothe your shared stress, do they reach out with a touch or use nuanced feline expressions? Share your story below to help us all lovingly decipher these feline masterpieces together. Signal 6, the embrace of scent, a tender head bunt. Have you ever felt your cat softly butt their head against your hand or vigorously rub their cheek against your shin immediately after you've expressed displeasure? This quiet action, known technically as bunting, is far more than just a tender nuzzle. It is a gentle, chemical embrace against distress. Your cat possesses delicate scent glands on their cheeks, forehead, and chin. These glands release special pheromones that gently mark safety and belonging. When you are feeling upset or tense, Your body's chemistry shifts. You literally carry a different scent to your cat. You smell of unease. By bunting against you, your cat is tenderly attempting to envelop that scent of conflict with their own comforting, safe aroma. They are lovingly reclaiming you. They are depositing their unique chemical signature back onto your skin to lovingly restore your shared group scent. It's their way of whispering, "You don't quite smell like my human right now, so I'm going to tenderly fix that." It is a profound act of cherished belonging and gentle reassurance. Signal 7, the soothing weight of presence, the physical imposition. Have you ever noticed that when you're overwhelmed with anger or sorrow, your cat doesn't just stay close? They literally climb onto you. Perhaps they settle on your chest or your legs, a comforting, heavy presence. As a wise member of our community once noted, this is a powerful, direct form of loving apology. It isn't merely being nearby, it is the feline equivalent of a profound embrace. In human occupational therapy, we use the calming pressure of weighted blankets to ease anxiety. This gentle weight nudges the parasympathetic nervous system into serenity. Your cat is performing the exact same tender act. It's called physical imposition. If, after you've had words with them, your cherished cat returns to plant themselves firmly on your lap, softly anchoring you, they are conveying, "I won't let go until your heart has found its calm." They are using their very body as a loving anchor to steady your emotions. It's not a gentle pushiness, it's emotional comfort. Signal 8, the peace offering, a shared treasure. I'm not speaking of hunted gifts, which is a lesson, but of their most beloved toy, softly placed on your shoe as you watch TV, inwardly fuming. In a wild cat colony, the sharing of sustenance or prized possessions is the deepest testament to belonging. If your cat brings you their favorite soft plaything after a moment of tension, they are tenderly sacrificing their most precious resource to honor your bond. Do not toss it aside, imagining they simply want to play fetch. In that precise moment, that toy is a gentle symbol of truce. Pick it up, gaze at it, and offer a quiet thank you. You have just gracefully accepted their loving apology. Signal 9, shared grooming, a fragrant reset. A viewer once shared a touching tale of two cats who, after a fierce disagreement, found solace only when the female began gently licking the male's forehead. This tender act is called allo-grooming. It is a social ritual of care. In the wild, cats only groom those they consider family, but there's an even deeper layer. Licking releases soothing endorphins in the brains of both the one giving and the one receiving the care. If your cat gently nibbles your hand or softly licks your hair after a period of strain, they are literally attempting to dissolve the conflict with their affections. They are lovingly remarking you with their comforting scent to whisper, "You are mine, I am yours." Let's erase the scent of distress. If you withdraw in distaste, you are gently rejecting a sacred ritual of bond purification. Allow them this gesture for a few precious seconds. It is the signature of peace. Signal 10, the vulnerable belly, the deepest misunderstanding. And here we arrive at the final tender point, the one that, ironically, often leads to the most painful misunderstandings and heartache, the exposed belly. You express your displeasure to your cat, and they immediately flop over, revealing their soft underside. A quiet caution. This is where most individuals misinterpret the gesture, especially with cats who carry echoes of a difficult past, a truth many experienced cat lovers have observed. Their vital, delicate organs lie there. To reveal it is not an invitation for a playful tummy rub. It is a profound signal of ultimate trust or deep submission. Your cherished cat, in that vulnerable moment, is softly pleading, "I yield. See my unguarded state. Please do not bring me harm." If you then reach out to stroke that bared stomach, you are breaching a sacred trust. Your cat's gentle bite isn't an act of malice, it's a deep, instinctive defense. And you might mistakenly think, "Aha, he tricked me. He drew me close, then turned." No, your loving companion revealed their deepest vulnerability, and from their purest heart, you seem to exploit it. The tender response to an exposed belly, especially after a skirmish, is to refrain from touching. Gaze at your cat, offer a slow, gentle blink, and murmur softly, "It's all right." Honor their personal space. That profound deference to their boundaries is the most heartfelt apology you can bestow. That's what Purr and Promise is all about. If you want to understand the quiet ways your cat loves you, with real science and no guesswork, subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Leonardo da Vinci once observed that even the smallest feline embodies a master of serenity, and his insight rings true. Your cat isn't distant, they are simply exquisitely delicate in their expressions. Each time your cat opts to remain in your presence instead of wandering off, each deliberate slow blink, every gentle approach after a moment of tension, these are profound choices for communion over clash. Yet here is a truth that might quietly stir your heart. If your cats are ceaselessly striving to mend your bond, what if we are, without intention, sometimes the ones causing the smallest fractures? While your feline friend employs calming signals and delicate openness to safeguard your connection, many caring individuals inadvertently provoke stress in their beloved companions every single day. In our upcoming heartfelt discussion, I will gently unveil the 9 subtle behaviors that quietly elevate your cat's stress hormones, subtly shift their brain's inner workings, and nurture anxiety without your slightest awareness. If you genuinely yearn to comprehend the intricate tapestry of your cat's emotional declarations, it is essential to perceive both facets of this tender interaction: how they offer their peace, and how we, at times, inadvertently inflict small wounds. Tap the screen to watch, because once you grasp how to cease even the smallest disruptions, every gesture your cat makes will begin to resonate with profound meaning.